From this video, you will get tips to prepare for Certified Professional, PingAccess PAP-001 Exam. What is Certified Professional, PingAccess PAP-001 Exam? PAP-001 Exam Information. Prerequisites. Key domain topics. Best study tips. 1. An administrator is setting up PingAccess to terminate SSL for a proxied application. What action must the administrator take to configure an existing certificate for that application? A. Assign the key pair to the virtual host. B. Enable require HTTPS in the application configuration. C. Assign the key pair to the agent listener. D. Set the secure flag to yes in the site configuration. Answer. A. 2. An organization wants to take advantage of a new product feature that requires upgrading the PingAccess cluster from 7.3 to the current version. The administrator downloads the required files and places the files on the PingAccess servers. What should the administrator do next? A. Upgrade the admin console. B. Disable cluster communication. C. Disable key rolling. D. Upgrade the replica admin. Answer. A. 3. An administrator needs to add a set of rules to an application protected by a PingAccess agent. Which rule will be unavailable to add to the application? A. Rewrite cookie domain. B. Network range. C. Rate limiting. D. Cross-origin request. Answer. A. 4. An application requires MFA for URLs that are considered high risk. Which action should the administrator take to meet this requirement? A. Create an authentication requirement named MFA_required. B. Apply an authentication requirements rule to the resource. C. Apply a web session attribute rule to the resource. D. Apply an HTTP request parameter rule to the resource. Answer. B. 5. All style sheets should be accessible to all users without authentication across all applications. Which configuration option should the administrator use? A. Define a protocol source for the resource. B. Define authentication challenge policy of none for the resource. C. Define global unprotected resources for the resource. D. Define a default availability profile of on-demand for the resource. Answer. C. 6. Which two options can be changed in the Run Properties file? Choose two answers. A. Default logs location. B. URL for heartbeat endpoint. C. Operational mode for PingAccess. D. X-frame options header. E. Logging levels. Answer. CE. 7. What is the purpose of PingAccess processing rules? A. To collect data for offline processing. B. To modify web traffic in real time. C. To override upstream access control decisions. D. To allow for more detailed auditing. Answer: B. 8. An administrator needs to prevent ping access from automatically starting on a Windows server. Which command would accomplish this task? A. init.bat. B. uninstall service.bat. C. remove install.bat. D. wrapper service.bat. Answer: B. 9. A modified application now requires additional attributes to be passed in the headers. What needs to be modified in order to pass the additional attributes? A. HTTP request header rule. B. Header identity mapping. C. JWT identity mapping. D. Web session attribute rule. Answer: B. 10. A company uses an internally based legacy PKI solution that does not adhere to the certification path validation section of RFC 5280. Which configuration option needs to be enabled when creating trusted certificate groups in PingAccess? A. Use Java Trust Store. B. Validate disordered certificate chains. C. Skip certificate date check. D. Deny when unable to determine revocation status. Answer: B. 'Subscribe and like Pass Question.